Hello guys, welcome to Men in Tech. Today's video I'm going to teach you on how to hack for Wi-Fi passwords using the command line on the command prompt interface on your Windows PC. So this is actually going to work on the Windows PCs but not for the MacBooks, or maybe if you're using the Linux OS. So we are going to deal with the Windows PC. If you're on Windows 8, you're on Windows 10, you're on Windows 11. This is actually going to work for you. So the command line interface is inbuilt or is embedded inside the Windows operating system. So we just need to fish it out, and then we start writing our commands to it, and then it will execute the commands for us. So to get started, you need to go to your start menu, and then you type in there on your keyboard CMD. So CMD is a shortcut that would lead you or will fish out the command prompt interface for you, and this is it right here. So you would have to launch this as an administrator, else what we are going to do is not going to work. So you can either right click on this and then select run as an admin, or maybe you can just head straight to this run as an admin right here. So those on the Windows 10, you can right click on it or maybe select it from here. So I will just select run admin. I get a pop-up and then I just click on yes. So when you click on yes, it's launched the command prompt interface for you, and on your screen this is what you should be having. So this is where we are going to type in our codes. This is where we are going to type in our commands or our instructions that we want it to do for us. So it's just a terminal where you write instructions to it. So to get started, there is a command that you would need to write to fish out networks for you. So in instances whereby you have been connected to several networks, you find yourself at a place where you have been connected to a network but you do not know the password, and you would like to know the password of that Wi-Fi itself. I'm talking about Wi-Fi networks. So this is what you're going to do. There is a command here that you type, which is netsh wlan show profile. So this command that I've written right here shows me all the Wi-Fi networks this system or this laptop that I'm using has been connected to before. So after I type in this command, I just need to hit enter. So when I hit enter, it displays, let me maximize this, it displays an entire network that this PC has been connected to. And also note that in your Microsoft account, when you log in onto your Microsoft account on your PC, every Wi-Fi that you connect to is being stored in the Microsoft account. So if I open up my Microsoft or I sign in my to my Microsoft account on a different PC, I will get all these Wi-Fi listings over there. So these are the Wi-Fi networks I've been connected to before. So let's say I want to find the Wi-Fi password of Klaus right here. So this is Klaus. So I would like to find the password for Klaus right here. So the next thing is to type in the command netsh, the same netsh wlan show profile. The same netsh wlan show profile, yeah, the same thing we wrote. But here, this is what you're going to do. You are going to type in the network name. And mind you that the network name is supposed to be shown or typed as shown in the list over there. So if you have your network starting with a capital letter or maybe a small letter, you need to start with that same thing. So Klaus is starting with a capital K, small Laus. So we need to type in the same thing. So capital K, small Laus. So I have the Klaus right here. So sorry, let me type it again. Klaus. So I have Klaus right here. So netsh wlan show profile Klaus. We are not done yet. The next command is to say that key equals clear. So you just need to type in there key equals clear, which is CLEAR. After you type in this, you just need to hit enter on your keyboard. When you hit enter on your keyboard, this is actually going to analyze the Wi-Fi network and fish out details of that particular network for you. So when you scroll down, you see at this place that we have key content. So this key content, the number or whatever that is written right here, is the Wi-Fi code or the Wi-Fi password. And if you have an instance that your network is separated, the name of the network is separated like this right here, saying that KTU test. So when you type this netsh wlan show profile, let me type in netsh wlan show profile, and then I type in the KTU test. So I need to verify from the spellings or the writings of that. So it's capital KTU and then capital T. So I just need to type in the same thing. So I have the caps on, KTU with a capital T, and the rest is small letters. So when I type in there KTU test like this and I add the key equals clear, it's not going to show the password. Why? Because the network or the Wi-Fi network has a separation between the text. It is not together, but as compared to the clause is one single word. So we can add a key equals clear to display. But with the instance where you have yourself or you find yourself in this situation where you have the Wi-Fi name to be separated as in KTU test, this is how you go about it. So you need to bring a double quote. You bring a double quote and then you type in there the name of the Wi-Fi. So double quote, afterwards you close the double quote and then you type in the key equals clear right here afterwards. So key equals clear. Now when you write it this way, it is going to display the Wi-Fi password for you because you have specifically combined the name KTU test, giving the instructions that you are finding this KTU test. Both of them is the name of the network. So it's just like you are telling it this is the network name with the quotation marks. It's just like as you are writing English sentences and you just want to make reference to something and then you put it in a quote saying that this is what I mean. So writing it this way, I hit enter and then it displays the password for me at the key content section. So the key content of the Wi-Fi password is written right here. Thank you. If you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on post notifications, give me a subscription, like this video and share this video to other people to have access to this educational resource. See you in the next one. Have a good day.